Local aqui tá de meneer Hendrik Schouten. E esta dona nossa artesano e resti artesana e chance para nós pôr um par de nós coisas aqui dentro para nós pôr oferecer ao público de Aruba e turista também. A mim tá traz joias, né? Minha joias na comissador de minha mama que toda tem Alzheimer e para entretê-la nós sei nós começar assim junto.
I work with watercolors, and on my subjects I mainly paint oceans, and with these oceans I can express myself really well. I experience Aruba as like a very colorful and diverse country, and I'm really happy to live here, and I can really express myself in my work like that. The inspiration is coming from basically everywhere, but oceans are at this moment my favorite to paint. I can make them orange, I can make it pink, I can make them blue, and I frame them, and then I just have a very nice piece that I've been making. So yes, we are then all local artists here at my gallery in Aruba in the Renaissance Mall, and I'm one of them that is here participating. And in the years, I experienced is that a lot of more people are looking for local art. They want to support small businesses, so that is very nice that people are like figuring it out, and that they're really trying to support the community and find us and support us with local art.
I'm working with porcelain because it's working with very fragile. You must heat it in an oven very high, 1220 degrees, and it's really nice to see what it is. These are beautiful the drive blaadjes from the sea. And yes, it's nice to work with it.
Mita pinta com acrylic bastante, of com oil. Também me tem outro medium não começa rosa, pero meu favorite está acrylic. Me também agora inspirar para a natureza de Aruba. Dus se eu bom, me gusta pintar a parhanan of cactus. Dus sei não tá inspirar-me bastante lama. Me pensa, em vez de nos comprar coisas já for, compra de local, assim nos ajuda nos artistanan aqui na Aruba também, que nos está, manamente bisa, eta trabalhar aqui na mês, eta tem mais valor que compra já for.